Hello folks, repair video number 2, different box. 800 HD, HG, 8 pill. Both them boys, both these repairs had antenna trouble. This one had a high SWR, she told me. So we hooked him up. He was a good dude, good customer. That's what you're supposed to do. We're going to take care of him. Galaxy 88. Alright, turn him off. Straight through. This is a later model build. It's a little different. Top off forward, hello. Okay. Reverse. Straight through SWR. Audio, nothing. Alright, cut him on. Radio drive, 1000 watt slug. Average power, radio drive. 1 2 1 2, hello, couple hundred. PP, radio drive, 1 2 1 2, hello, 700. Alright. Go up and turn on the old trusty Texas Star. Oh, let me show you this first. I can show you a minute. Hello. Alright. Oops, we turn the trusty Texas Star on. It's driven. This is driven. 5 watt reverse. 1 2 1 2. Hello. 2 watts. That's driven now. Average power, 1000 watt slug. 1 2 1 2. Hello. Buddy helps. Look at the input tab. Or like 2500 watt slug, PP, driven. Oh, audio. I don't have to drive it, but it helps. I don't have to drive it, but it helps. Hello. That's funny, come show. I didn't have to fix it, but it helps. Hello, 1 2 3, got down 0 and 8, waving, about 19. She's all fixed up, ready to rock and roll. So we can get it to you before we run off on vacation. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10018, be with us. Back quiet.